Hello students, now I already introduced you chemistry chapter. Now here is the syllabus 4+1 theory. See here the units are given to you. Exam time is as usual 3 hours, and here is the number of the periods and the mark scheme for the each section. As first chapter is some basic concepts of chemistry. It will involve the general introduction of your chemistry and the importance and the scope of chemistry, nature of matter, as you have discussed in 9th grade and in 10th grade, laws of chemical combination, same repeated from 9th grade, Dalton's atomic theory, concept of elements, atoms and molecules that I have already explained you through the flow chart of matter. Then atomic and molecular masses, you have mole concept you already discussed in the 9th grade. Here is the molar mass, same, percentage composition. Here is the empirical formula and molecular formula, chemical reactions, stoichiometry and calculations based on the stoichiometry, right? So this is the first chapter under which these topics are lying, correct? Shall we proceed now with the first chapter? As you can see that this is the some basic concepts of chemistry. So first question is here, what do you mean by chemistry actually? Students, chemistry is the branch of science which deals with the study of matter and its composition, right? Chemistry is divided into inorganic, in which we study about the inorganic substances like atom, molecules, matters, as PDF blocks, and another one is organic, like hydrocarbon, saturated, unsaturated, alkane, alkanes, nucleophilic substitution reactions, electrophilic reactions, right? And physical chemistry in that is based on the numerical section, as we are doing the isotherms, graphical representation, numerical. So here is the detail that chemistry is the study of material that make up the universe and the changes which these materials undergo. The study deals with the composition, structure and properties of matter, right? And mainly the concept, it is the constitute of matter, means atoms and molecules. So why the chemistry is important? You know very well our life is impossible, or you cannot imagine your life without chemistry today. As you can see, here is the importance of chemistry in our life. In the computer world, agriculture, food, transportation, warfare, everyday life, you are using your lapis, you are using mobiles, chips. They all are made up of atoms, elements, health, medicine especially, and even for the shelter also. Cement factory, as you need chalk, as a teacher you need a chalk and blackboard, right? So chemicals, compounds are utilizing. As I have explained you that the smallest unit is matter, anything that occupies space, right? Anything that occupies space. The combination of the tiny particles or the matter when in a combined form, then they form atom. You cannot see the atom also, right? It is indivisible and invisible. When atoms are combined, then it forms elements, correct? When two elements are combined, then they form compound. And when you talk about mixture, then there is a combination of more than two elements or molecules. As you know that mixture is a homogeneous as well as heterogeneous. Those who are showing the same properties, constituent properties, they are homogeneous, like the true solutions, chemicals you are using in the chemistry lab, and the heterogeneous solution which are not mixed well, they are immiscible substances. Like you mix the, as you have taken water, 250 ml water you have taken, and you pour 1 or 2 spoonlets of sand. You know that sand will never mix with the salt. The property will be different. So this is a heterogeneous, and you mix the milk plus sugar and water, plus if you add salt into the water, definitely it will mix, right? So these are the two categories of the mixture. If you talk about the compound, in 11th grade you will discuss that they will divide it into inorganic and organic. Organic means, you know very well, medicines are under the organic materials, right? So you can see the nature of the matter as you have already discussed: definite shape, size, solid, liquid, gases, elements, mixtures. So they have given you the compound definition. The inorganic substances, these are the compounds which are obtained from the non-living. Inorganic means in, non, and organic means living. Where we are not writing in, for general information, if you are writing organic means they are obtained from the living products like plants and animals, carbohydrate, oil, fat, wax, proteins, etc. Right? And mixture is different because it contains more than one kind of pure form of matter, that is substance. A combination of two or more elements, as I told you that combination of two or more elements is called mixture, and when it is combined only two, then it is compound. So mixture is a combination of two or more elements or compound in any proportion so that the components do not lose their identity. This is the main property of mixture, right? Then here is a flow chart given. I think up to this you all are familiar with these terms. Please go through this and revise properly. Thank you.